In a recent press briefing, Honorable Alva Baptiste, Minister of External Affairs, International Affairs and Diaspora Affairs, addressed the announcement made by U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio regarding new visa restrictions for Cuban government officials and individuals considered complicit in Cuba's foreign medical programs. In his remarks, Baptiste highlighted the significant role the Cuban government has played in providing medical support to St. Lucia.
As individual states, we have international obligations. The United States of America did write to various islands in the CARICOM region with relations with Cuba as far as medical personnel is concerned. We do not have medical personnel in our country in any unrecognized fashion. The Cuban medical professionals, they are an integral part of our healthcare system, responding to the many challenges that we have.
While acknowledging Cuba's continued medical support to St. Lucia, Baptiste stressed the vital role the country has played in offering medical aid, particularly during the challenges brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic.
During COVID in particular, we actually strengthened that presence to help us navigate such a difficult period. And we want to thank the government and people of Cuba for providing us with that support. Also, training many of the medical doctors we have who are St. Lucians in our society. We thank them at great personal sacrifice for training our people so that we can maintain a healthcare system that could respond to the challenges that we face today.
The Minister of External Affairs then explained the reasoning behind the implementation of the U.S. policy and outlined St. Lucia's response to the matter.
The United States was concerned that there was forced labor, etc., and that we probably was asking about our international commitments. We responded to the U.S. indicating clearly that we are not in violation of any international obligations.
Baptiste further confirmed that communication had been sent to the U.S. outlining the relationship between St. Lucia and Cuba, assuring that St. Lucia was in no way violating the U.S. policy.
We got a diplomatic note and we responded to the diplomatic note, indicating what the situation is in St. Lucia. The U.S. was more or less seeking clarification as to what type of arrangements we had and if those arrangements were offending against recognized international standards. But we are going to continue to subject the way we do things to new levels of critical examination to ensure that we are not guilty of any violation.
The Minister of External Affairs went on to confirm that St. Lucia is currently awaiting a reply to the correspondence. For Choice News Now, I am Dyrod Lionel.